गई, मैं तो फिर से आ गई, आज जो था आज बदला जो है. Hi, hello, namaste, welcome. This is Gayatri and you're watching Vadapav Sambar. So today I thought of making something very simple, very easy. I didn't want to cook rice separately and dal separately, so I'm gonna make palak dal rice. So why wait? Just begin. Let's begin with the ingredients required. Mr. Husband has already chopped the vegetables and kept. So here 1 cup of palak, spinach, carrot, 1 small carrot finely chopped like this, half a tomato, 1 small onion chopped like this, and garlic finely chopped. So here we are not going to use ginger garlic paste, but we are going to use garlic only finely chopped like this. Coming to other spices, we have taken cinnamon, jeera, mustard seeds, and pepper coarsely grinded like this, and cloves, 4-5 cloves, and peanuts. Put your pan and add little oil. So I'm adding little oil, and I'm gonna add little ghee as well. So let it heat little bit. Then we are gonna add all our spices. So once your oil is heated, we are gonna first start by adding our mustard seeds, then jeera, then your cinnamon, then cloves, and then finally your coarsely grinded pepper. I like the taste of pepper in food. It kind of adds spiciness. You guys can also add red chilies as well. Give them all of this mix. Now it's the time to add our garlic. First goes our garlic, then the onions, you will get a very good flavor of your ghee, pepper and garlic. So meanwhile your onion and garlic is being roasted, you can soak your rice and dal. So here we are going to use tur dal. I have already soaked rice and tur dal. I have taken 2 glasses of rice and half a glass of tur dal. So here, this is my tur dal already soaked, and this is the rice. Now it's already roasted, time to add our peanuts. I like peanuts a lot, so probably you guys must be seeing a lot of recipes with peanuts in it. Now let's add tomato. And I'm so sorry for the horrible placements of camera. I'm just learning. I'm just a beginner, guys. You add green chilies also if you have at home. I don't have it, so I haven't added green chilies, but green chilies will give you a very good flavor as well, so do add it. Now it's the time to add little salt. Let's add turmeric and chili powder. Time to add our carrots. Do add green peas. Here I'm just adding carrots, but palak and green peas also taste very well, so do add them if you have it. Since we are again going to boil this, we need not to roast it for a longer time, and now we can add our palak. Here it goes. See how colorful it looks, green, orange. Once you feel that your palak is soft and mushy, time to add dal. So here I am adding my tur dal. I have drained all the water and I am just going to add my dal. We'll add water at the last. Our recipes are so simple that all bachelors though for sure must try. So after around like 5 minutes, you can add your rice. And now again give them a good mix. We will allow our dal and rice to cook for some time without adding extra water. Of course our vegetables will have water, and we are anyways using soaked dal and soaked rice, so it will have water content. Water will add after some time. After some time add water. So here I am going to add water. Water quantity totally depends on what kind of rice you are using. After adding water, close the lid and let it cook for some time. I couldn't resist, but I want to see how much it is done. I think it's almost done, only a little bit of water is left. I think it will be done another 2 to 3 minutes. You get a very good aroma out of it.
You can make this recipe in cooker as well. Just add everything and put it 4 whistles and it will be done.
2 minutes more and this will be done. And it's finally done. Yay! Time to serve. You can serve this with raita and pickle. It tastes really awesome. So I'm gonna serve this with raita. My raita, onion raita. So, ta-da! I'm gonna enjoy my lunch. Do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section below how did it come out. I'll come with a new video very soon. Until then, bye-bye!
And yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Vadapav Sambar channel. Anyways, it's free!